Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for an adorable Western themed backpack that's going to be able to carry all the items you need and do so safely? Look no further. I have found the cutest backpack by Montana West. I love this so much. I have it here in the American Bison pattern, and I think that pattern is absolutely adorable and so unique. I really love it. And I so appreciate this backpack because it is so versatile. It is able to easily carry all of my items. It has so many different pockets of different sizes depending on what I need to carry, and it even has a sleeve to secure my laptop. So this is the perfect backpack to take with me on the go when I need to work on the go, or I've even taken it with me to the gym because it fits everything that I need. If you are a student or if you work outside of the home, this is a great option to just be able to throw all your items in there, but you know they're going to be nice and secure. I appreciate too that the straps are adjustable and they're also nicely padded, so it's a very comfortable backpack to be able to actually wear on your shoulders. And again, that adorable Western theme is so unique, looks so cute with a pair of boots and jeans or some plaid. I really, really love this style. It's made of a great material too that I find is very easy to clean. So when I take a backpack with me on the go, I'm very messy and probably I'm going to get something on it. So I so appreciate that this fabric is easy for me to just wipe off, keep clean, and keep using it. So I am so happy with this backpack from Montana West. I think it is so versatile, so unique and adorable. And again, if you are looking for something to help support you throughout your work or your schooling, whatever your adventures are on the go, I highly recommend checking out this backpack because I think you're going to love it too. But that's just my point of view.